Assalamu alaikum. Now I'd like to talk about a famous person. I know many famous person in the world, but right now I'd like to talk about our country famous person. His name is Ayman Saddiq. He is a teacher. Right now, young generation people know him very well because he is online teacher. He is a founder of 10 Minute School. He teach every day 1,50,000 people almost in online, and other student offline also. That's why we know him very well. I lots of watching video of him because he always try to learn, try to teach our generation student, and also we are needier support. That's why we are always watching her video. And when I scrolling Facebook, I like her Facebook page. And when I scrolling Facebook, that time I saw a lot of video in education and motivation. He also motivate our student generation. He always support us how to improve our education sector. That's why he doing very harder, and he always focus our student right now thinking and growing, how to growing study. That's why we are love him very much, and I think every student see him in online. He online famous teacher in our country right now, and he founder of 10 Minute School, and he makes lots of online education sector right now. Right now our online infrastructure day by day increasing. That's why he try to this through teach us. That's why